Hey guys, in this tutorial we will learn how can we convert our Word file into PDF file by using online converter. And the good news is this converter is 100% free, so you can use it for free. Let's dive in. For example, I have three Word file and one of the file, this one, I would like to convert this into PDF. So what I will do first, I will check what's the formatting inside this document. So this is, I can see there's a red text and there is a bold text, there's underline text, and there are some different color text as well. So I'll close this document and head over to browser, and then I will type ilovepdf.com, very first one, click on this one, and very first website, click on this one, and it will take you to the home page. On the right hand side, you can create the login by sign up, clicking on the sign up, or you can use it without login. So my relevant option is here Word to PDF because I want to convert the document from the Word to PDF. I will click this one and then I will select the Word file, click this one, and I will select the file location where my file is. So my file is here, this one. I will select the file and press open, and now it will upload the file, and at the bottom right hand side it's asking me convert to PDF. So I will press this one and it will start converting the file into PDF. It will just take a few seconds to convert. It depends on the file size and the format as well. So usually it is very quick. So on top right hand side I can see the notification my file has been converted. If I click this one, and it is the same duplication of the wording and the narration from my Word file, so it kept the formatting as well. So this is how you can quickly 100% free convert the Word file into PDF file. Hit the like button if you like this video.